Hey guys, welcome to Lognips. Today I'll be showing you how to download the YouTube Music app on your device for free. And let's start right now. To download your YouTube Music app on your device, first open up the Play Store on your phone. And after opening your Play Store, on the top of the screen you can see the search bar. Tap over there and type in YouTube Music like this and search for it. And you can see there is the YouTube Music app available on the top of the screen. Tap over there and tap on install, and after that the application will be downloaded and installed on your device momentarily. And there guys, this is how you download the YouTube Music app for free on your device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. And there guys, this has been installed.